Welcome to Maths 1, 2, 3. In these two factorial questions, we have to find the value of n. The first question, plus 1 factorial is equal to 90 times n minus 1 factorial. So here first we have to see the smallest factorial value, which is n minus 1 factorial. So we can write this n plus 1 factorial in n minus 1 factorial form. So we can write this n plus 1 factorial as n plus 1 times n minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 90 times n minus 1 factorial. So here this will get cancelled with this. So we can write this as n plus 1 into n is equal to 90. This implies this is equal to n. I'll multiply with this, I'll get n square plus n multiply with 1, I'll get n is equal to 90. So this implies n square plus n minus 90 is equal to 0, and this is my quadratic equation. So we can solve this quadratic equation by using midterm split method. So I have to split this n into two numbers such that when I multiply those numbers, I'll get negative 90, and when I add those numbers, I'll get n. So these two numbers are 10 and 9. So with 10 sign will come, and with 9 negative sign will come. Then only we'll get n. So here I can write this n as, so n square as it is, plus 10n minus 9 minus 90 is equal to, 9n minus 90 is equal to 0. So from here I can take n common, and inside I will be left with n plus 10 negative. From here I can take 9 out. So this will be n plus 10 is equal to 0. So this implies n minus 9 and n plus 10 is equal to 0. This implies n is equal to 9 or negative 10. But we know n cannot be negative 10. We can't find the factorial of a negative number. So my n will be equal to 9, and this is my answer. So the n square plus n is equal to 90. We can solve this by using inspection also. So we can write this as n times n plus 1 is equal to 90. So this 90 I can write as 9 into 10, which is equal to 9 into 9 plus 1. So if we compare left hand side and right hand sides, so we'll get n is equal to 9. The second question here we have 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2n minus 3 factorial ratio n factorial divided by 2 factorial times n minus 2 factorial proportion 4 ratio 3. So here we can write this as 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2n minus 3 factorial divided by n factorial divided by 2 factorial times n minus 2 factorial is equal to 44 divided by 3. Now we can change this division sign with multiplication by changing numerator and denominators. So this we can write as 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial divided by 2n minus 3 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial times n minus 2 factorial divided by n factorial is equal to 44. Here I can write this as in 1 by 3. The smallest factorial value is 2n minus 3 factorial. So we can write this 2n factorial as 2n times 2n minus 1 times 2n minus 2 times 2n minus 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2n minus 3 factorial multiply by, here we can see that 2n minus 2 factorial is smaller than n factorial. So we can write this as 2 factorial as it is, 2n minus 2 factorial divided by n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial is equal to 44 divided by 3. So here 2n minus 3 factorial will get cancelled with this, and here also this will get cancelled with this. And this 3 factorial also we can write as 3 times 2 factorial. So this 2 will get cancelled with this, and this 3 will get cancelled with this 3. So we will be left with 2n times 2n minus 1. So from here I can take 2 out, 2 times divide into n minus 1, multiply by 1 divided by n times n minus 1, which is equal to 44. So here also this will get cancelled with this, and this n will get cancelled with this. So we will be left with 2 multiply by 2 times 2n minus 1 is equal to 44. So this is equal to 4 into 2n minus 1 is equal to this 44. I can write as 4 times 11, implies I can write this as 4 2n minus 1 is equal to 4, and this I can write as 2 into 6 minus 1. So this is 12 minus 1, which is equal to 11. So by inspection we can find out n is equal to 6, and this is my answer. And there is one more way to solve this question. We can write this as 4 into 2n minus 1 is equal to 44, and this 4 I will take to that side. So I will get here 2n minus 1 is equal to 44 divided by 4, which is equal to 11, and 2n minus 1 is equal to 11, and 2n is equal to 11 plus 1, which is equal to 12, and n is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.